everybody, it's Tony back again with another video here. If you just saw the last video that saw, you just hit the timestamp to skip the intro, but this is a same ported 4910, you know, my firewood build. Still running that Oregon M72X3 .325. They call it a speed cut, but it's got this micro chisel cutter on it, so it's not a bad cut and chain in my opinion. So we'll see what it does here in this piece of hickory. It's all spinning at 14,000. So I already got it warmed up. You know, I just switched out the log in the last cut, but here we go. Cut and chain, guys. See the bore's got that hickory pretty good, but that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.